Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics. Check battery power and any dead shorts. Electronic locks need voltage. Next, remove trim panels. Use Torx T20 and a 1/4 driver to loosen screws while keeping parts organized. Once done, photograph the lock and strike orientation so reassembly matches original alignment. You do this to avoid misalignment later and to know whether the issue is mechanical binding versus electrical failure. Make sure to keep small fasteners in a labeled container for quick retrieval. Once you expose the mechanism, visually check the latch, cam, and actuator for worn teeth or cracked plastic. These cause sticking. If electrical, apply 12V bench power to the actuator to observe motion. This distinguishes wiring from physical jams. Next, gently remove grime and apply a light silicone or graphite lubricant to pivot points. Avoid heavy grease that attracts dirt. You should also realign any bent parts using needle nose pliers. Retest the movement by manually cycling the latch several times. To finish, reassemble the lock in reverse order, ensuring the cam and latch engage the striker plate. Tighten screws snugly, but don't strip plastic threads. Once reinstalled, test the lock with the door closed and under normal RV battery voltage so you see real-world behavior. If it still fails, swap in a known good actuator to isolate the issue, verify ground continuity with a multimeter, and check striker plate alignment. A misaligned plate often mimics failed locks. One key tip: if intermittent, inspect wiring rub.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.